When you need a little more storage above your truck bed, the Pace Edwards Thule low profile crossbar set is the perfect addition to your truck. Let's be honest, the main reason you have a truck is to haul things, but sometimes you need a little more room. That's where the Pace Edwards low profile Thule crossbar set comes in handy. It is the foundation of your upgraded storage solution. This crossbar set mounts up and out of the way of your truck bed, allowing you to still have bed access and use a tonneau cover. You can load your truck bed with coolers, tents, and chairs, while the modular rail allows you to carry your kayaks, mountain bikes, or even a basket for extra storage above your cover for those long adventures. Made of extruded aluminum, these rails are built to last. They offer 200 pounds of support and have an aerodynamic shape for added wind resistance. Installation is fairly straightforward. The kit includes 4 towers with locks, along with 2 crossbars and mounting hardware. The towers mount into your existing tonneau cover's T-channel rails. Once those towers are installed, simply mount the crossbars into place and tighten them down based on your preferred spacing. If you're interested in the Pace Edwards low profile Thule crossbar set for your truck, or you need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.